Today an interesting beetle appears in my Venus flytrap room. A soldier beetle, which is the adult stage of a very strange creature, which also feature in my Venus flytraps and are often eaten. This beetle very quickly has a near miss on the traps. However, as you can see, there are many waiting with many trigger hairs. Sometimes these beetles are actually called leather wings because their wings are soft and not hard like most beetles, leathery in appearance. As the beetle wanders around my fly trap, it finds its way into danger, narrowly missing a trap but heading straight towards an open one with waiting trigger hairs. These traps close a bit slowly because they're fresh out of winter dormancy and desperately need good food like this bug to thrive. This trap size is almost perfect for this bug. However, the antennae stick out and move gently in the breeze. After the initial shock of being caught, the bug attempts to try and escape, its legs sticking out the side of the fly trap, desperately trying to get grip. But it's hopeless, it's caught tight. So we have a look through the side of the trap, an almost X-ray-like attempt to see what's happening inside. And we can see there's no escape. The caught bug gives me an opportunity to zoom in and have a quick look through the teeth of the trap at its eyes and its face. We then put a time lapse on to watch the trap successfully shut, seal around the creature, just leaving a single antennae sticking out, which slowly moves but offers no hope of escape. And the next day, I make a cup of tea and one of these insects flies straight in. Very odd, and more seem to be appearing every day in my flytrap room. So we may see some more videos on these soon.
Mr. Naked Landscaper.